to my channel, guys. Welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a video that has been requested for some time. It is going to be a makeup tutorial, so yay. By the way, yes, I'm wearing my natural hair today. If you need to see a natural hair update, then I did one like 3 weeks ago to a month. So yeah, so for the video, it's been requested for some time now. Didn't get around to it just because I just didn't. And recently got test glasses, and I said, you know what, why not, because you guys really wanted to see it. So it's basically, you know, makeup for glasses. Yeah, as simple as that. Like, so I'm gonna be doing a pretty minimalistic / natural makeup look that is suitable for glasses. I'm just gonna start off with my brows, and it's been such a long time since I've done a makeup tutorial, like a full-on makeup tutorial. But yeah, so oh, by the way, I'm going to be incorporating foundation today just because I know that the broader crowd wants to see that, and a lot of times, like, I still do my no foundation stuff, but as I said, I mentioned this before, I need to incorporate more because I am an influencer at the end of the day, and I can't just be stuck on one thing, you know. I need to step outside and try new things. Most of the products I'm using are from Makiage, New York. You know, I've been rocking with Makiage, New York. So for the brows, I'm gonna be taking my Makiage. This is the brow pen. This is just the brown one. That's the shade that we're working with, brown. Clean up my brows, I'm going to be using my Makiage concealers, 2 of them, because it's 2 different shades. I'm using number 12 and number 15, and this is from the F and Flawless collection. Okay, this came out last year, like during the fall time. So for the bottom portion, I'm going in with number 12, and for the top, I'm going to be using number 15. And for me personally, brows take up most of the time because for me, like, if my brows don't look right, trust me, I'm not going to do nothing. I'm not gonna move any further with my makeup if my brows don't look right. So when I'm doing my brows, I don't like to talk during that. I don't want to focus on anything else but just do my brows. If you're going to be going into the office, if you're going to work, you're going to school, and you want this to be lasting, I recommend using primer. A lot of people don't use primer, and you don't always have to use primer. It depends on how long you're actually going to wear your makeup. So if you're going to be wearing your makeup for prolonged period, it's good to wear a primer. You know, it really helps with, you know, longevity of the makeup, as I always say. So we're going to be using the Makiage No Filter Primer, and it's poreless base smoothing. I really love the packaging for this. So I'm just gonna apply this. I always like to really focus the primer in my smile lines, because after wearing the makeup for a very long time, for me personally, it starts creasing. So this really helps with minimizing how the makeup looks in that area in terms of creasing, and I just use my fingers to smooth it out. The next thing to move on to is foundation. So for glasses wearers, what I find is that for me personally, when I'm wearing makeup, glasses in general, like say I'm going to the beach and I want to do a light beat, and I wear makeup and my glasses, my shades here is so annoying. So what I've done to kind of help me personally is minimize the amount of product I apply in that area, and that's what really does it for me. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using the Makiage Woke Up Like This Flawless Base Foundation. I use the shade 195. I chose this online. I recommend taking the quiz that they say you're supposed to take. They always taking it. I was like, this not gonna work, but I still one. And it worked, and it was 1 bottle of foundation. Usually if I'm gonna buy stuff like concealer, I have to do like 2 different shades just in case one don't work. I can mix and match, but this, it matched perfectly. Let's see if it's still matching, because I don't wear foundation a lot. It's been a while since I've dabbled into this, so I've been in the house a lot. Let's see if it's still matched. So I'll do like 1 pump right there, like 2 light pumps, because I don't want too much. Remember I said to minimize on the amount of product that you have. So look at that. It still match. It looks really good, really nice coverage. And I'm just dabbing, not too much on the nose. First, kind of, you know, blend it out in this area, and then whatever is left over, I bring it up onto the nose. So I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. And I'm not going to be applying any more on this side. Where is the foundation? It looks just like skin. This is gorgeous. Looks really good. Looks really, really good. So the next step I usually move on to is highlighting, as you guys know. So I'm going to be going back in with my Flawless concealer in the shade number 12. This is the one I use beneath my brows, and as I said, I try my best to minimize the product on the inner part. So this is a bit tricky because yes, you're applying the concealer to the inner part. How do you minimize it? Just try not to put too much on the nose. It's time to set. Setting is very important, because best believe if you go ahead and you wear your makeup just like this without setting it, the glasses will definitely crease everything, and it will look a mess when you take it off. You know, when you take your little break, you want to just take it off your face, your makeup will not look good. It will not look good. So please set your makeup. Okay, to set my highlighted portions, I'm going to be using my Makiage translucent powder. I say to use it light-handed, especially if you're off color. You don't want to go too heavy-handed on it, just because it's a white powder. I feel like any and every white powder, just go kind of more light-handed on it, but you need to make sure you're setting all these areas properly. I'm just going to tap it and really press it into the skin. Whichever face powder you feel comfortable using, you can go ahead and use it. I just use this to balance out the rest of my face, you know, because what we just said was the highlighted portions. I didn't saturate the nose with too much product. If you get a crease after hours of wearing the glasses, it won't be as, as visible, you know. I still go down on the sides of my nose lightly with my powder. Okay, so for the eyes, I'm going very neutral. So I'm taking my Makiage Color Boss Master Palette, and this is the 8 multi-dimensional eye color Treat Yourself palette. I'm gonna go in with the shade Own It into my crease, just a tad. And this is a very, very natural, you know, shade, just to give like a light contour to the crease of the eyes. Because after all, we're wearing glasses, so we're really not doing the most, okay? Really not doing the most. Just very much on the minimalistic side. Give the face a very light spray with our setting spray. This is actually one of my favorite highlighters up to now from the day I received it. I have another one, but I feel like for a very natural look, that's going to be a little bit too booming. Another Makiage highlighter, but I love this one so much. This is the Material Girl Baked Highlighter. So, and this is the Mineral Baked Highlighter. So we're gonna just dust this on to all the areas that we want to highlight. And I feel like that this is a very nice shade for women of color like myself. I always tend to highlight after misting my face, just because I feel like it really helps to bring out the glow a little bit more, and it helps to like just make it look more natural, as if you're glowing from within. So I'm not going to overdo the highlight today at all. Just something a little, you know, subtle. So just something really, really light. And then I usually just put a little on the nose, the chin, and like above the brow area. And I'm not applying lashes because I'm keeping it very natural. So I have the Makiage mascara, but I ran all out of it because I loved it so much, so I need to get another one.
It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly if you don't leave.
Honestly, what I'm gonna do is a little hack I like to do. Sometimes it's just because, I don't know, it's just how I'm feeling. So I'm gonna use a little bit of my Makiage number 15 Elf Flawless concealer and dab it on my lips. So this gives me a very nice nude combo. I love it. And I did a little bit of brown liner around the edges of my lips. So I'm going to be going in Star Child Lip Service Lip Glaze from the Carly Bible collection with Makiage. This came out last year as well. So yeah, and this is just a really nice, you know, sparkly gloss. That's it for all the makeup I applied, and I just rest it here very gently. Don't like press it into your skin too much. Apply it really gentle, and that's it. Natural makeup for glasses. I feel like this is definitely a win-win. Just try not to be too heavy-handed with your products. I'll try to do like a snap, like an hour after applying the makeup, like an hour from now, and insert it in the video. I'll show you guys how my face was looking over 1 hour later, guys. So let's do the check and see how much creasing happened. Absolutely no touch up, minimal crease. You can see where my natural oils are coming through, but I did not touch up any at all. Skin is looking flawless after a little over an hour of makeup application. So there you have it. Put it to the test. It looked pretty good, honestly, pretty good. It didn't even like create any line, any demarcation on my face itself. So there you have it. This is your makeup for glasses, and I'm happy I could show you. I made sure to show you the time difference so you know it's real. Okay. So shout out to Makiage for their bomb products, honestly. Yeah, guys, that's it. So if this video was informative, if it helped you out, you know, go ahead and give this video a like. Your girl appreciates it. So yeah, that's it for today, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. So just go and make up on yourself. Bye.